Hello and welcome. Let's take our time and work through question 1 together. We're asked to evaluate this expression, and the instructions say no calculator. So we'll rely on the correct order of operations. The key here is BODMAS. BODMAS reminds us of the order to work in. First brackets, then orders such as powers, then division and multiplication, and last of all, addition and subtraction. If we follow that order carefully, we can't go wrong. Notice this is a fraction. The line in the middle means divide, so we'll simplify the top on its own, then the bottom on its own. And only at the very end will we divide the top by the bottom. Let's begin with the top. Following BODMAS, brackets come first. Inside the bracket we have 5 plus 3, and 5 plus 3 is 8. So we can replace the bracket with 8. Now, still on the top, we look for multiplication and division, before any adding or subtracting. -2 multiplied by 8 is -16, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So the top now reads, -16 minus 3 plus 5. The only thing left on top is adding and subtracting, and we work from left to right. -16 minus 3 is -19. Then -19 plus 5 is -14. So the whole top simplifies to -14. Lovely. Now let's give the bottom the same treatment. Again, multiplication comes before addition. Look at -3 times -5. Here is an important rule. When you multiply two negative numbers, the answer is positive. So -3 times -5 is positive 15. The second part is -2 times 4. A negative times a positive gives a negative, so that is -8. So the bottom becomes 15 plus -8. Adding a negative is the same as subtracting. So 15 plus -8 is simply 15 minus 8, which is 7. So the bottom is 7. We're almost there. Remember, the fraction bar means divide. So now we divide the top by the bottom. -14 divided by 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2, and a negative divided by a positive is negative. So the answer is -2. Well done, that's question 1 complete.